opinion, best dedicated server hosting for PalWorld? Here are some of the factors that you may want to consider when choosing a dedicated server hosting provider for PalWorld are: server performance and reliability. You want a server that can handle the game's high resource demands and offer a smooth and lag-free gaming experience for you and your friends. Mod support and customization. You want a server that allows you to install and manage mods easily and customize your game settings to your liking. Customer support and security. You want a server that offers 24/7 customer support and protection from DDoS attacks and other threats. Pricing and features. You want a server that offers a fair and competitive pricing for the features and resources that you need. Based on these criteria, some of the best dedicated server hosting providers for PalWorld are: LagoFast. This is a top-rated PalWorld server hosting provider and game booster that offers a free trial, exceptional performance, unlimited bandwidth and storage, and easy mod installations. GTX Gaming. This is a popular PalWorld server hosting provider that offers extensive mod support, high-performance servers, low latency, and 24/7 customer support and DDoS protection. Shockbyte. This is a reliable PalWorld server hosting provider that offers robust server hardware, unlimited bandwidth and storage, and support for multiple games beyond PalWorld.